What's going on, guys? I'm Bhuwan, and today I'll show you how we can make a square in Python. So we're gonna be using something called myturtle. And yeah. And for my last video I told you guys what was the error in this. I don't remember top of my head. I think it was like something like this. What was the error? And it has this error. The error was that, like right here. There you go, the error was quotation marks. So yeah, that was the error on that one. And just press enter and it works. So we're gonna be making a square in Python. And yeah, let's go into this. First of all, you're gonna go to file. Up here, you can go to new file. And then you should be right here. So after you're here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do something called import turtles. So this is just something in Python that you guys can learn later on. But we're gonna be calling it myturtle because you don't need to call it myturtle, you can call it anything you want, but I just put myturtle because I'm Bhuwan and I do that all the time. That makes zero sense. So let's go we're just gonna do this here. I'm just gonna program down this first. Forward. Let's make them go 100. So, there you go. Let's run this and let's see what it does. So, okay, I'm gonna save it. Let's call this YT as always, and bam! What just happened? Look at that! Did you guys see that moved? I can also do it on this one, but I just so I can save it. That was cool. It moved. But let's run it again. It was pretty cool. So let's run. Let's F5 and what was that? That was just cool right there, right? So let's make a square. So what this code tells you is that, look, so we created turtle. We created turtle, and we give to the turtle the name. So like, I called it. You can call it like turtle one, whatever you want to call it. My turtle equals turtle. This is just the object. This right here, I'm telling you, this is same as this. It's giving like a value right here. So let's go like a equals 5. If I type in a, it always puts 5 because I said that to it. That's the same thing for what I just did here. Oh, I have to minimize it right here. That's the same thing. It's just you're giving the turtle this turtle equals this. Except I can just put this into 5, and if I did that, it will show me 5. But we're not gonna do that for now. But okay, so now we're gonna make a square. So what I'm gonna explain this as much as I can. So after we're done this. After you give an object just a name, I did myturtle, which is this. It's like saying like 5x, that means 5. You know what I mean? What I did right here. Okay, right here. What I did right here. If I type in a, that's 5, and if I want this to do something, I do that. So what I did here is really Python, not the time. There you go. So. Okay, so what I did here, I'm saying, myturtle, I want you to move forward 100 steps. Pretty cool. And I'll tell you guys some shortcuts throughout this. So let's do something else. But we're gonna try to make them a square. So let's go to myturtle. You can mess around with this, guys. Just mess around with this. It's not gonna be that hard. Let's go left 90 degrees, which is also known as a right angle, but. So let's do that. And whoa, look at that. You saw that. Before it was just showing this way, but now it's showing upwards. That's 90 degrees. So now what we can do, I'm just gonna put it like right here. So like, just give me a second right there. So what we can do, now we're just telling it to go left. But we never told it to go forward. We never told it. Okay, you'll understand them later on, okay? So let's go myturtle dot forward 100, and bam, let's save that and run that. And whoa, look at that. That is just amazing. We made our right angle, which is 90 degrees in math. But now we're gonna try to make a square, so we have to go left again. So, and I'll show you guys a shortcut, like, you know what I mean? You just have to do this again and again. Okay, my left, guys. left 90 degrees again, and save that. Let's go. So that's, I'm making it like this. I'm telling you to do that way. It's gonna show that way. So I have to go my turtle dot forward 100 again. So let's run this. This should have like a half square, like just have like a like this. Okay, like this. You know, straight, yeah, like that, like kind of like that. So like kind of a complete square, but not really a complete square though. And bam! See how cool that is? So let's do that again. Let's make it a full square. I'll show you, and then after this I'll show you something really cool. And see, like, you know, see, like, these simple things can come really handy. Forward. No, nope, I messed up. 90 left. Left. 90 degrees. Let's enter that here. So you guys mentioned like, yeah, you can just copy, and I know, but no, I do not because I'm wrong. So we should have a complete square. And bam, we made a square. So remember how I like, so like, let's say if you wanted to make something else, like if you wanted to make like a hexagon or anything like that, you have to like change this all. It's just not gonna be fun doing that. What if I told you something? What if I can do this? What if I can do x equals 100? Okay? What throws you? Y equals 90. And later on, I'm gonna tell you guys, you never want to use these two variables. Like, these two variables are not good variables, but I'll tell you that later on. X equals 100, y equals 8. So what I gotta do here is, look at this. Look at that, guys. So like before, I had to like individually change these numbers, but now I don't need to do that. I can just do whatever I want. This one, right? So X, and then let's run this. Save that. And bam, it did the same thing. But now the cool part. Okay, I did not want to make. I want to cool here. Okay, I have to minimize that here, and bam. That's pretty cool. Let's say I wanted the forward to be that much. Okay, not quite that much. It needs to be numbers. Oh, by the way, if you want to do letters, you have to put the quotation. Let's make that. Okay, that's way too big. Let's go like 150. 165. Oh yeah, that's pretty. 166, 166, 266 actually. Let's do that much. Save that, and I don't know how this is gonna look like. That is pretty cool. I did not mean to do that, but that actually looks pretty damn cool. See, you can mess around with this, and like a lot of people already know this, but like think about it. You might think x equals this, and you might just think this is pretty easy, but look, this thing is handy. Then you have to like you know what I mean? Like when you program, you're gonna have like tons of these codes, and to change them individually, it's gonna take way too long. You can just use all these shortcuts and all that. That's our first step. Let's try to make something cool. So let's try to make something. Let's just make. You know what? Let's just do this. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. So what I'm gonna do here is copy this. Just paste it tons of times. Let's see how this turns out to be. I don't know how this is gonna look like. Oh, okay. I think I know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna repeat that again and again. It's gonna do that again and then. Dude, oh my god, this is so cool. That looks so cool. That right there is pretty cool. Like, that shape is pretty cool, and we can do a lot with Python. As you guys know, you might think Python's pretty simple, but look what you can do. Like, this is pretty cool. And yeah, guys, this will wrap up the video for today. And tomorrow we're gonna be learning more. We're gonna be creating. So what this is mostly used for is, like, you know, animations. So like, what you can do is you can make them do this and do like something like, I don't know, just anything you want. Just like something like put number 5, just print 5. You know what I mean? I don't know if this is gonna work. I actually don't know. and it's gonna do all this. So here's the thing. Here I made it, right? But if you don't like, something that's cool is like I'm gonna show this in the next episode, but you can actually like have a certain animation, like just have this, but like you know what, like you know how some animation have like something like moving around and bam, like while it's moving it shows letters. We can do that using this. This is what this is used for. Like while it's moving, just animation, something's moving and you're showing the letters while it's moving. If that makes any sense. But yeah, and hope you guys like my editing skills. I've been working on my editing too. It really is hard. Just trust me, it's just hard sometimes. But you know what? I have to deal with it. It's fun. And we'll be learning way more than this. This is just simple, and you can just mess around with this. So I want you guys to create something super cool, super cool. So just like put the code down, whatever you did. I mean, you don't need Python. You can just like use this and just send me the code, because I'm gonna go in the comments below, copy tons of your codes if you guys put any, and then I can just like paste that and then see what you guys made. You know what I mean? You don't know, like just start to just do random. Okay, but don't forget to put import total and then just do this and then that, and then you can just do this if you want. It doesn't really matter. You don't need to do this. Just do this, then just send it to me and I'll check it out, and then if there's error I'll fix it up and I'll tell you why the error is. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, and bye.